Good morning, language arts students. Quick little video here today. Um, just going to go through the learning targets quick. So Wednesday, April 8th, read 30 minutes in your book. You guys are doing a great job with your reading logs, putting lots of detail in there. I love it. Also, writing prompt today. Today and tomorrow there'll be a writing prompt, so don't turn the document in until you finish the writing prompt tomorrow. Try to write as much as you can. Respond to the prompt or create your own prompt. It's up to you. I just want you writing. And then we have a Greek and Latin roots for the month of April that we're going to study. You see these words here: novel, pel, mand, min, port, crone, neg, and vac. Basically, how you do that is you open up this document and you're going to do the work of finding the actual meanings, just same way that I would when I present slideshows for you. But you're going to go to this little website right here called Word Roots, or it's called Learn That Word, really. But it has all the roots. For example, if I'm looking up the word acro, I can use this website to just click on the A, acro, notice the meaning right here. The meaning of acro is top, height, tip, or beginning. Its origin is Greek. And here's some examples. Acrobat, a high walker. Acronym, a word formed from the first letter of a word. Acrophobia, fear of height. So there you go. That's how you do that particular page. Fill in the origin, the meaning, and 2 example words for each of these and submit. And then the only other thing today is the Night of Terror quiz on Google Forms. So that should be in your work for today. Let's see if it is. Night of Terror quiz right here. That's just basically if you need to reread the story or if you feel like you're good enough with the story Night of Terror, go ahead and try and take the quiz, which is on Google Form. And that should call it a day. All right, thank you, students.